Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create this makeup look for Eid. I'm also going to create a lot more makeup looks for this Eid. And yeah, I've already prepped my skin, and I'm going to use the PAC HD liquid foundation in 2.5 and mix the lightning drops from the Body Shop and for my shade. This foundation is slightly darker for my skin tone, but yeah, it kind of works when I mix these drops. Oh my god, I cannot tell you guys how much I love the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer. I'm using this one in pure beige, and just to hide those under eye dark circles and spot conceal, I love using this shade. I'm going to use the creamy beige shade to highlight and brighten the under eyes and my nose and all those highlighting areas. I absolutely love this foundation and the concealer combination. Also, my new favorite is this sponge, the beauty blender from Forever 21. I've been loving this, and it comes in so many different colors, works so well, and blends the foundation like a dream. Already run out of the shade from LA Girl Pro Conceal HD. That's the creamy beige one, and I think this is the second one which is almost done, and I also have a backup. So now you know how much I love this concealer. Oh my god, it's one of my holy grail products. Do you see how beautifully this blender, blends the whole concealer and foundation? It looks so flawless. So I've been kind of getting this body acne, if you can see my shoulders and my upper arm. I don't know why, but I've been suffering with the body acne. Do let me know if you've tried something and something worked out for you guys. I would love to try and get rid of this body acne. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to use the Kryolan translucent powder in yellow. Oh, actually it's not translucent, but it has that yellow tinge to it, so I'm just going to use that and bake it. So yeah, I'm going to use that in the usual areas and leave it on. Another favorite, I absolutely love this product. Since I have bought it, I've been using this non-stop. I love it more than my Anastasia's brow pomade. I love it more than my 3D brow set. I don't know, but I am in love with this product. It's been an amazing one, and you can see it by yourself. You can create a sharp look, a feathery look. I think you can just do anything and everything, and the pigmentation is so good. The consistency of the pencil is so good. I love this product from Chi Chi. Oh, just can't talk more about it. It's just the best brow pencil I have ever used, and Chi Chi, that's an amazing job that you're doing. So yeah, I'm just dusting off all that excess powder, and I'm going to use my Shade and Light palette from the Kat Von D range, and just going to set those eyelids and move on to my eye makeup. Just going to use those two shades from the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and just build up my crease, just forming those transition shades. Hello beautiful eyes. So there, isn't that pretty, guys? It looks so pretty. I love the packaging of this palette. I've been obsessed with this palette, and I'm going to use that warm orange shade and the mid-tone purple shade to build my crease and the outer corner. I have been dealing with acne since my teens. It's like about 10 years now, and I am still dealing with acne. But I have a good news for all you girls out there who are dealing with acne issues, pits and scars on your face. There is a good news. I have bought a lot of biotic products recently, and I've been using them regularly. So I am going to do a skincare routine, or talk about the biotic products, how they work for me, how I use them, and all of that. And yeah, tell you about how you can actually deal with your acne and have a flawless skin. I'm just using a cream shadow so that my shadows, the powder shadows, stick pretty well. I love this palette from Chi Chi. Like I said, the pigmentation is so high, and I've been using this non-stop. This shade especially has been my favorite. So yeah, I'm just placing that on the cream shadow and blending it out. I'm also going to build up the outer crease area and work a little bit on the upper crease as well. I'm using both of those shades from the Seattle London palette that I showed you earlier, and just working it in. I love the effect of the Chi Chi eyeshadows. I have some other palettes from Chi Chi, but this one is the best. If you have any source to get your hands on a Chi Chi palette, then you should definitely try the Warm Vibes palette from Chi Chi. It is amazing. And yeah, I'm just working my way in to the crease and just building those colors and seeing if both the eyes look similar and all that. This is the most difficult part for me because my eyes are so sensitive. I have undergone a LASIK treatment because I used to wear specs. I had a -3 power and I wanted to get rid of my specs, so I did get it treated, and I have an absolutely right vision now. So yeah, working on my lower lash line is so difficult for me. I mean, it's so sensitive, but makeup makes you do everything that you cannot. So yes. And yet another favorite, which is the Bombshell bronzer from BH Cosmetics. You can see and tell how much I love this bronzer. I've hit the pan and I cannot stop using this. I have so many bronzers stocked up there, but this is my absolute favorite and I just can't get over it. All my favorites in this video. Now I'm going to use the Shade and Light palette and contour those cheeks, chisel them up and make them look slimmer. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and this is something I've just started to use, and I still don't know how much I love it and how I feel about it and all that, so I'll keep you posted. But as of now, it looks good on camera, good in person, and I think it's a good product, but I still have to use it quite a little bit to let you guys know if it's worth the hype and worth the money. So yeah, that's about it. Initially my foundation was looking slightly ashy, but now you see when you add the bronzer and when you start contouring, highlight and all that, it looks so good. I mean, it looks like skin. And yeah, now I'm going to use those same shades that I used for my outer crease, and to build my crease area I'm going to use those and darken it up and make it look even more prettier. This is a champagne eyeliner I bought from Maybelline. It's from the Color Show range. I'm not sure if they still have this. I guess they've discontinued this one, but it remained my favorite, and I just love how it looks. So I'm sorry guys if you cannot find it, but it looks really pretty. And yet another favorite again, this is the eyeliner from Miss Stein. I bought this when I was in Bangkok. I shared this with you guys in my Bangkok haul as well. If you guys have not watched the Bangkok haul, I'm going to link it up. You can have a look at it. And if you are visiting Bangkok or Thailand anytime soon, it's going to be helpful. And yes, we're just winging it up. Can we just hold that mascara right? Anyway, I used some mascara, and now I'm going to use this super matte lipstick from Chi Chi. Yet another favorite. This is in Oh Swag Money. I don't know why it looks more pinkier on camera, but it's more brown, more terracotta. It looks totally different on camera, but trust me guys, it looks amazing in person. Not that this color doesn't look good, but you know, that's not the actual color, so just wanted to mention it. And who can get out of a house without having a highlighter on? So yeah, I'm just adding some highlighter. I've used that glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm just mixing 2-3 different shades and applying it on. Gives such a beautiful sheen. Your skin looks so much more healthier than it actually is. And highlighters, special place in my heart. So that's the final look guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one, and also do follow me on my social media, especially on Instagram, because I post a lot there. I post a lot of funny stories as well. And if you want prior updates on what I am going to upload with pictures, then you have to follow me on Instagram for sure. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such upcoming videos. I'm going to create more Eid looks shortly and put it up as soon as I can. And yes, thank you so much for watching and tuning into my channel. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.